birdies hide beneath the tree. Bunny hops where it is dry. Little duckies love the rain. Quack, quack, quack as they go by. Pitter, patter, raindrops falling down. Tip, tip, tap upon the roof, splashing all around. Drip, drop, rain gets slow. Little rays of sunshine glow. Clouds are moving far away. Now it's time to go and play. Look up high, what do we see? A rainbow shining happily. Red and yellow, green and blue. A beautiful rainbow just for you. Rain, rain, you can stay just a little while today. We can splash and laugh and play. What a happy rainy day. Bye bye rain, hello sun. What a day of rainy fun. Rubaani, Angad Amber say, come again another day.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. See you in our next adventure.